What's going on, guys? Armand Nava, your local Texas realtor, checking back in with a property tour. All right, kind of wanted to change things up and have a property tour and just kind of keep it real chill and just talk to y'all from the heart and just kind of explain, the real estate market, life, or spread the gospel. Hopefully you guys enjoy these property tours, but aside from that, guys, let's dive in. So today we are at Casey Custom Homes. It's this really beautiful custom builder here in New Braunfels, Texas. We actually are working with them. We've brought a couple clients in here before, and just the process alone is just super amazing because I mean, when it comes to custom building, it's like you're truly building a custom home. You get to meet with the designers, the architects, and Casey Custom Homes just has that really just different look. It's very hill country, but also very modern. But anyways, guys, wanted to jump on here and kind of just talk to you guys about just life, So I kind of want to do these property tours more often, where I just kind of talk to y'all and show y'all some beautiful real estate properties across Texas, or San Antonio, Austin, Dallas. But in the meantime, I also want to hopefully enlighten you and bring up, brighten your day some way, somehow. But anyways, guys, yeah, it's been crazy these past couple of weeks, just being out here in San Antonio. The real estate market's really just crazy right now. I mean, homes are flying off the shelves. People are struggling to find homes just because it's such a big time seller's market. So a lot of buyers are just struggling out there right now. So anyways, one of the biggest tips I would recommend, especially if you're trying to buy a home in 2021 or even 2022, is definitely do the research. Look at different builders, call them up, see what they have to offer, okay? See what inventory spec homes are coming up. And honestly, right now for the pre-owned market, I probably wouldn't really touch it too much, just because it's very competitive. Unless you have, some money to play with, and you're open to going over asking price, and you really want that home, then hey, by all means. But what we've been seeing in the market right now is that a lot of offers right now are mostly cash or conventional. That's been common here with our clients. So I'm not sure how it is out over there where you guys are at, but let me know. But it's been really hard for FHA and VA buyers right now with the pre-owned market. So that's why a lot of people are navigating to custom builds, new construction. So this is why I want to show you guys this property tour, just to give you a glance of what custom builds look like. Now keep in mind, this is their model home. This is basically like the show home, and they show all their different features, their designs, their upgrades. So Casey Custom Homes is like probably one of my very top favorite custom builders. Look at this pantry. This is crazy. This is huge. But anyways, guys, that being said, yeah, if you're a buyer right now, prep it up, get a pre-approval, have it on standby. Make sure you do your due diligence. Sorry about the background noise. I'm gonna try to get a really good mic. I'm using my earpods right now, so I do apologize for that. So yeah, have a pre-approval on standby. Make sure you do your research outside of your realtor. Make sure you have a hard charging realtor, man. That's the big thing, is have a hard charger ready to rock and roll, that knows the builders, that has connections, because a lot of these sales reps for the builders, sometimes they get cancellations and some of those homes become available. So that's why it's good to have those connections, because once they cancel, the builders, they send me an email, and they'd say, hey brother, we got this cancel. If you have any clients, 250s is what the house is going for, right around there. This is how many beds, baths, etc. So it's always good to have those connections. So just make sure you have a realtor that possibly has those connections, and also do your research. Give the builders a call, see what they have before you drive out there. But anyways, guys, it's been crazy, man. I mean, another big thing that I've been really just just diving into is the gospel, man. The word, you know. Jesus has really just touched my life and my wife as well. And we've been just diving into the word a lot recently. And we just want to hopefully spread it. Obviously, we're still learning and we're still getting to know Christ. And we're still just very brand new to this. But everything that we've been reading in Genesis, I mean, I've personally been reading a lot. You know, I've been reading Genesis, the fall of man, Adam and Eve, the apple, and just Jacob, Isaac, and, you know, the different people in the Bible that just really applies to today, you know, as far as like the way things are going in life. So one of the biggest things I did take away from Genesis is you have to have faith in God. You know, whether you're going through struggles or you're going through downfalls, God is he tests, right? He tests you. He wants to see how much faith you have, right? And you got to trust him. Even when things go bad and everything seems like it's not working out for you, you got to hold the faith. You got to stay strong and just know that everything's going to be all right. Okay? Because once again, we're only here in this world for a limited time until we pass over to the next. So it's the big thing, the big questions you got to ask yourself is, you know what? How can I help other people? How can I bring them up? How can I, you know, provide value to the world? And how can I spread the word of Christ, you know? So that's probably one of the biggest things I've been really just focusing on, you know. And obviously doing real estate, which is awesome. I love this career. It's a lot of work, don't get me wrong, but I just love it. And I'm just so grateful. And I just want to thank God for everything that I have today and everything. My life is really, I just love it. There's obviously some setbacks here and there, but at the same time, you know, we all have them. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this property tour. I want to kind of talk outside of the property itself, but, you know, show you guys around and talk from the heart. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to see more like things like this, I'm trying to switch it up, trying to change it up, include more real estate and God into my videos, and hopefully it helps you guys out. Anyways, y'all take care. God bless. My prayers go out to you and your families. I hope everyone is doing well. Continue pushing forward. Have faith. I love you guys. Smash that thumbs up. Once again, this is Casey Custom Homes. Let me know what you guys think. Rate it 1 to 10. Comment down below. Subscribe and smash that thumbs up.